After the coldness of the winter months, the lovely days of April, May, and June call to us and ask us to go out and see the beautiful countryside period. During the long winter, the countryside has been resting and waiting for the warmth of summer to make it colorful once more period. Some people feel that the countryside is more beautiful in the cold days of winter than it is in the heat of summer period. When the leaves have fallen, the view is wider, details show up more clearly, and the rivers are full period. These are plain facts, of course, but the truth is that most of us like the countryside of the summer more than that of the winter period. We like the warmth more than the cold, and we like to see the fields full of the color that summer brings period. And so we go out period. We leave behind our TV and our books and off we go period. We are light of heart and happy, and the open country is before us period. Is it possible in these days, however, to get right into the heart of the country, not only to see it, but to hear it and to understand it in the way that the writer of the story of my heart, life of the fields and the open air did period. It does not seem very likely that it is possible because there are so many people in so many motor cars all trying to find the happiness of the countryside at the same time period. It is plain enough that if masses of people all go to the same place at the same time to find the peaceful life of the country, they will not find it period. The case which it is now possible to reach the country places has made them less worth reaching period. There is I think nothing that we can do about it period. Motor cars are with us and are likely to be and while we have them we shall without doubt use them period. There are however still places which are away from the wide roads and great motorways period. There are lovely little places in the byways of the countryside which because of the quality of the roads are seen by few period. The best way to see such a place is to walk period. Feet are certainly not used as much as they used to be. We like to move more quickly than our feet will take us period. Our feet are still however quite the best means of seeing the countryside in the lovely months of early summer period. When I was a child, my father had a number of little books which set out walks of many kinds period. There were short walks and long walks, walks for the hour or for the day period. These walks set out almost every step of the way, and they kept the walker away from the roads as far as possible period. The landmarks were country, buildings and farms and fields period. A motor car cannot go across farmland stopping while those in it watch the animals or look at the growing plants, but the walker can provided the keeps to certain parts and is careful period.